केला से मोकळा, बोल विठ्ठल वेंगळा. चल, I freed you from all your sins. I'll take all your sins. Don't worry. But after doing that, what do? बोल विठ्ठल वेळोवेळा. अबद्ध म्हणता वेद, दोष बाधती सुबद्ध, नाम पडता अबद्ध, श्रोते होती शुद्ध परमार्थता. Therefore, instead of getting stuck in what is pavitra and what is apavitra, saints picked up the bhava of all the samaj, of all the people, and they said, don't worry. Don't worry. Karma dharma navati sang. What happens? The karma is so difficult that the mind gets stuck in the karma. And because the mind is so much stuck in the karma, it forgets whom it is doing the karma for. Now this is the main point. You can do a karma, but if you forget whom you are doing the karma for, then the karma becomes useless. माझेनि अनुसंधाने वीण, स्नान संध्या जप होम दान, अवघेची अधर्म दान मद भजन ते नवे. माझेनि अनुसंधाने, if my thought is not there in any karma of yours, then it is useless. It is adharma. Look at what words Nath Baba is using. Now this is Nath Baba. He knows all the Veds, all the Upanishads, all the Shastras, all the Purans, everything he knows. He is saying, माझेनि अनुसंधाने वीण, स्नान संध्या जप होम दान, अवघेची अधर्म दान मद भजन ते नव्हे. So now tell me, how is it going to be possible for us, normal people? Not everyone will be able to walk on this path. Everyone has his or her own opinion. And karma marg, jnana marg, yoga marg is just a person's opinion. Ki if you want to go on this path, you should do this. If not, you can choose another. Now everyone is not as strong. Only a few selective people have that mental capacity, physical capacity to sustain such pressure. For us, what? Hari mukhe mhana, hari mukhe mhana, punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi ganana kona kari.
Hari mukhe mhana, hari mukhe mhana, punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi ganana kona kari.
Hari mukhe mhana, hari mukhe mhana,
hari mukhe mhana, hari mukhe mhana,
mukhe mhana, hari mukhe mhana,
hari mukhe mhana, hari mukhe mhana,
hari mukhe mhana, hari mukhe mhana, punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi ganana kona kari.
hari mukhe mhana, hari mukhe mhana, punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi ganana kona kari.
हरि मुखे म्हणा, हरि मुखे म्हणा, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी. Don't keep counting your पाप, your punya, forget it. पुण्याची गणना कोण करी. No, like when a kid is stuck somewhere, don't worry beta, why do you keep doing this? Don't worry, I am there, no? I am there, no? Don't worry. So Tukaram Maharaj, Jnaneshwar Maharaj say, don't worry, why are you stuck in Pap Punya? We are there, no? This is what a child needs, and no. This is what everyone sitting over here needs. Nothing else. I am there, no? This is a voice which is the most important voice in your whole life. No matter what you do, if this voice is constant in your conscious, you can walk on any path. May it be rocky, may it be filled with thorns, whatever it is. But if this voice stops, no matter how much your willpower is, you are bound to stop at a certain point. Because it is not your power that you walk on. We feel it is our power. But no. Hari mukhe mana. ऐसे शोधियले मार्ग नाना परी न येती प्रचिती मग सांडियले दुरी आता गाऊन गीती नासू हा मुरारी निळा म्हणे करू संसारा बोहरियो. Beautiful. In this Abhang, he's told about everything. He's told about Jnana, he's told about Karma. What is the phal of Jnana? What is the phal of Karma? After Jnana, what happens? You go to Swarga. Like yesterday Maharaj said. You go to Swarga, Apsaras, and you get kicked out. Then Karma, then Yoga. He's told everything. And then at the last he said, ऐसे शोधियले मार्ग ना परी न येती प्रचिती मग सांडियले दुरी आता गाऊन गीती नाचू हा मुरारी निळा म्हणे करू संसारा बोहरी हो. Now what should I do? Now what should we all do? कीर्तन चांग कीर्तन चांग
कीर्तन चांग कीर्तन चांग
कीर्तन चांग कीर्तन चांग
कीर्तन चांग कीर्तन चांग
होय अंग हरि रूप होय अंग हरि रूप
होय अंग हरि रूप होय अंग हरि रूप.
If karma dharma navati sang, then what is sang? Kirtana sang. Karma dharma navati sang, then what is sang? Tukaram Maharaj, tell us. What should we do? Where should we go? What should we follow? Which path should we walk on? Kirtana sang. Kirtana sang, hoya ang hariru. Kirtana is one of the most powerful of Navavidha Bhaktis. Kirtana, Archana, Vandana, Dasya, Sakhya, Kirtana, Atmanivedana, Sakhya. What are these? These are all Navavidha Bhaktis. And out of these, Kirtana. What is Narad doing? Kirtana. What is Namdev Maharaj doing? How did Varkari Sampradaya start? Kirtana. Even if Jnaneshwar Maharaj laid the foundation of Jnana, the building started building up, the Vistar started happening because of Namadev. How is the Abhang? Santa Krupa dhali, Imarat phali, ज्ञानदेवे रचिला पाया उभारिले देवालया नामातयाचा किंकर तेने केला हा. He started expanding. So if you want to expand your horizons, come to Kirtan. If you want to expand your view, come to Kirtan. Kirtana sang, hoya anga hariru. Arey, what are we talking about, you and me? God cannot live without Kirtan. Vitthal cannot live without Kirtan. तोमी वैकुंठी नसे वेळू एक भानुबिंबही न दिसे परी योगियाचे मानस मी उमरडोनी जाय. परी तयापासी पांडवा मी हरपला गिवसावा. जेथ जेथ नाम घोष बरवा करीती माझा. वेर एम आय? नाहम वसामी वैकुंठे योगिनाम हृदयेन च मद भक्त यत्र गायन्ति तत्र तिष्ठमि नारदा. नारदा, where do I stay? I don't stay in yogi's heart. I don't go in their dhyanas. But कथा त्रिवेणी संगम देव भक्त आणि नाम तेथीचे उत्तम चरण रज वंदिता. How powerful! How powerful! God comes. He just does not come. He comes and dances. What happens? God just does not come. He comes and he cannot control himself. He starts dancing. On whose name? His own name. No. This is the position of everyone else. When our name is said, we start dancing. Not outside, inside. It's normal. If our father does this, then why not we? Who is the father of all of us? Vitthal. And if he dances on his own name, why not we? He just does not dance. He forgets himself. देव विसरला देवपण, भक्त विसरले भक्तपण, दोघांचे बुडाले दोघेपण, स्वानंदे पूर्ण बुडाले. What happens in Kirtan? देव विसरला देवपण. God forgets his godliness. Bhakta forgets he is a bhakta. He is different from God. No, he is one with God. दोघांचे बुडाले दोघेपण. The plurality, singular and plural, they become one. दोघांचे बुडाले दोघेपण, स्वानंदे पूर्ण बुडाले. Now see the fun of it, huh? Two different things have immersed in one Swananda. See the fun of it, huh? Swananda is one Ananda, that which you can your own self feel, not others. When you are happy, others will look at your face and why they are happy? That is your Swananda. You are feeling happy from inside. Your heart is not just pounding, it's bouncing with Nama. It wants to hear, it wants to sing, it wants to dance. And when others see us dancing, what are these guys dancing for? What are they doing? Therefore in Wari, why do they go? Waste. Waste of man hours. What do everyone else consider? Waste of man hours. But no. These are the only hours which are the happy hours in our life.